Well, that was embarrassing as hell. Hopefully, everyone in the other stream could find this pretty quickly. Oh my goodness! Now I gotta tweet. I'm not even gonna tweet this again. I didn't realize the software was tweeting too. I gotta solve. That's part of the problem. I gotta solve that anyway. Hopefully, everyone can find their way over. I apologize. I gotta tell you, it's really annoying if this thing crashes that I can't like restart the stream back up into the same one. I don't know. So we'll hang out, have a little fun. See if we can get some people back in here. Retro, yeah, retro. Yeah, I'll have to play around. My apologies. I'll have to play around with those themes, find something I like. Apparently, it doesn't like switching back and forth. Anyway, I got some stuff planned today. I'm gonna check out We All Gonna Make It. Stupid ass name. I gotta tell you, we all gonna make it for sure. I'm gonna check out We All Gonna Make It. I was considering YOLOing into it, doing some, because so I don't have dry powder, right? I don't have dry powder, as the cool kids would say. I mean, I'm really, really low on the dry powder. I bought that Herman Miller chair. That shit was $2,000. That was like most of what was left in my bank account. I do get paid Friday. I got a leaking shower. Let's go off the rails. I'm talking about things you don't care about. I got a leaking shower I need to fix. That thing's gonna $1,200 to fix a leaking shower. Are you kidding me? A little drip, drip, drip. Like, I mean, I could just let the thing drip, but Brandon in the house. Good morning, brother. How you doing? I can let the thing drip, but it weighs on my conscience. It weighs on my conscience that it's wasting several gallons of water a day. I do put it to use as much as possible. Anyway, let's get off dumb topics y'all don't care about. Let's take a quick look at the desktop. And by the desktop, I mean the stock market. Let's see what's going on in the stock market. See how my Tesla call is doing. Ooh, Tesla's up, but it's only up like $3. My call should actually be up too. My covered call. It is basically flat. Oh, it's up $3. That stock market's only been open for 2 minutes. I don't even know if the derivatives market's even really started trading yet. Let's take a look. Yeah, it looks pretty. Looks like it's starting to pick up. We'll see how this does. This is going to be one of those things. If Tesla continues to trade sideways, up a little, down a little, that call is going to come in nicely. At one point, this is just proof you can't time the market perfectly. Anyway, I sold that call. I sold it a little early. Tesla still had a lot of steam in it. It did get up over $1,200. I mean, I'm tempted to roll it down, if we're being honest. I'm tempted to roll this call down because, Elon posted that tweet out that he's going to sell a bunch of his shares. I forget, it accounts for a lot, dude. The amount it's going to be a lot of selling pressure. So when that happens, I mean, I'm tempted to be like, I'm not going to, because long term, it doesn't matter. Tesla may dump. What is it going to go down to? Like $900? Is it really is it really worth risking all that for something you want long term? Like, this is one of my safety eggs, I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's one of my safety nest, right? Is that it? Safety nest? Long hut calls not even pumping. Oh yeah, bro. You come on, dude. You know how to do derivatives. You know buying calls is high risk. My riot covered calls are clapped. Why? Yeah, dude. Selling covered calls in a raging Bitcoin bull market, you're gonna get clapped. Like I considered it for a second. I'm like, what the hell am I thinking? You know what so I think Coinbase is I'm really excited. I think Coinbase is after the bell. Earnings after the bell. There we go. It is 11/9, right? I don't even know what day of the month it is. How sad is that? Real quickly, before I forget, Big Boy did a video last night. I catch his nightly wrap up, whatever, quite often. It's a nice little. I kind of want to start doing those myself, but I'm lazy AF. I may eventually get around to that. But I catch them because they're nice and quick, and I'd love his point of view. I'm somewhat sarcastic there, but he was kind of scared the shit out of me. I'm not gonna lie. He was talking because, all right, look, he's been talking about how the bull market was going to end the end of September. And then he's like, oh, it might extend to like the middle of October. Very beginning of the year, his predictions for Bitcoin was like 500. At first, it was 300,000, and then he upped the ante. He added some nitrous oxide and went to like 500,000. I think his Ethereum was maxing out around 27,000. I think these were like his legit, if I remember correctly, like his legit, like home, like his Babe Ruth. This shit's gonna happen in the bull markets. He never took. I'll give him credit. He never took his foot off the gas on the end of September in the bull market. All he really did was the 4-year golden bear bull whatever cycle. Yeah, I no. So I hated him in the beginning because he was always. I mean, I don't want to spend too much time on it, but he was always waxing on about how great of a leverage trader he was, and there's nothing wrong with him being confident. I'm confident too, but. And then I don't like most of his normal videos, but I mean, nothing against him. I have a hard time watching most people's normal. I hate making them. And I know that would be the kind of thing I need to do more of to grow the channel. And maybe I'll eventually get back into it, but that's neither here nor there. I didn't like a lot of his videos or like the 1 to 10,000 challenge. Dude, you have hundreds of thousands of viewers. You can put money into a coin and then like you said, Brand, shill it, and of course it's gonna go up, and a lot of people are gonna get wrecked. But his morning show is pretty good if you just want like general news and what's going on and the around the blockchain or whatever can be pretty decent at times too. Those are, I mean, they're good watches if you don't got a whole lot else going on. I tend to catch those, and then I'll catch his night thing at times. Always so. Yeah, him, and I mean I love George too, but I think George he feels a little like, I feel like he might be a little too greedy, and he's always pushing a bunch of like whoever pays him most. I mean, he wouldn't, like he said he wouldn't, he thought DeFi Kingdoms was a pump and dump too, and DeFi Kingdoms I think was trying to get him like, so I guess he does have a line in the sand, but that's a weird line. Like what about some of these protocols that you promote that you would do, and then all of a sudden DeFi Kingdoms, I don't understand, right? Anyway, that's neither here nor there. I don't even remember. Oh, so let's. Also been thinking about, yeah, Riot's kind of underperforming, all things considered. When you look at like back in April and May, it was kicking Mara's ass. It was kicking Mara's ass, if I remember correctly. Now, and it was all like, it was a green. I think it was more green. Why is this only going back? Oh, I'm on Coinbase. Oh yeah, so Coinbase earnings is tonight. I'm extremely bullish Coinbase. I would love. There for a second, I was trying to figure out how I can get this to 100 shares so that I could sell covered calls. And I'm like, Tom, just relax, dude. Eventually, this thing's going to be $1,000 or $1,500. They'll probably do a 5-to-1 split. Just let it build right now. Just let it build. It's a nice little diversification in your portfolio. You can see how heavily influenced. Hey, everyone talks about, trust capital, IRA, or whatever. You don't have to have. I heard they're doing away with it. One of the reasons I never went to the trust capitals because they had like a $20 fee. I heard they're going away with that. I'm still kind of I'm still kind of just holding back from moving my IRA there for a couple reasons. One, I'm a huge supporter of Tastyworks and what they've done for this. I mean, just for the industry in general. In fact, they're campaigning really hard to get rid of that pattern day trading rule, where one of the dumbest rules in the history of the stock market. And I've been hung up by this, where you legit, if you sell, you can only do 3 day trades per 5-day period. And if you buy and sell for the 4th time in that 5-day period, your account's basically frozen for 90 days. I could go on. Anyway, they're trying to get rid of that. They've done a lot of great things for the industry. In fact, I can sell naked calls and puts in my IRA because they spearheaded that campaign. They were the first to get that done. I don't know what you retracted. All right, let's see. I'm not, dude. Let's calm down on like my meter on him is at least is going north. He's bag holding XRP. No, yeah, Mara has been crushing it. I don't know. So yeah, let's take a look. Riot was kicking Mara's ass. I don't know market cap wise how they compare. I really don't. But Mara was, look at this. Riot was at $80 in February. That kind of peaked early. That's interesting. And then that was 80. And Mara, I'm pretty sure, was way behind that. Yeah, they were clear down at like 40. They were half. And now the roles are practically reversed. It's really weird. Has Riot been diluting the pool a bunch or something? I haven't really been paying attention to them. I know Mara's done quite a bit of that too, because they have to pay for those miners. Either way, I think they're both going to the moon. I'm not worried about it. I would consider selling covered calls. Oh, I know why I was talking about big boy. So I would consider selling covered calls when I think it's the top, but if Bitcoin is going to do what everyone expects it to do, it's not worth risking right now. I'm really looking forward to what Coinbase earnings are going to be tonight. This is all Bitcoin crypto related, so calm your tits, all right? Coinbase earnings tonight. I think they're going to blow the roofs off, blow the walls out, you name it. It's probably going to be really good, but it's already had a good run up. So is it already priced in? Who the hell knows? How's the street going to react? Are they going to hit numbers? I mean, look at that, dude. This thing is in fuego since you go with it. I mean, it's gone with Bitcoin, but since September. Oh, I'm looking at Mara. What the hell is wrong with me? What is wrong with this platform? I tell you. Come on. So it has done really well since the beginning of October when it was basically near its lows at 220. So it's up. It's up $130 in the last month. So it's really run up with Bitcoin. It's really run up into these earnings. I have no idea how it's going to do. We can take a quick look at the expected move. The expected move is $30, man. Do I have any money? I'm bullish. Let's do something. I'm bored. Let's sell. I'm bullish, so let's do a little put spread. Try and get a little action. We'll move this up. Oh, this is a 3-day. I don't know. Now, let's put time on our side. You know what I'm saying? So let's move this out to December 17th with my Tesla call. We go at the money. That would be 250. Would be like a chicken. Chicken. Now, what is going on here? 350, 345. Man, these things are wide as AF. There's no way. Let's see. I was like, man, was that $10 wide? What happens if we go all the way down to, like, there's no way I'm gonna get that. How wide? Let's try it. If I can get $2 on a $5 wide put spread, I wouldn't lose money until like Coinbase fell below $328. Max I can lose is $3 or $300. I don't think this will fail, but let's find out. Boom, dude! Like Bob's your uncle. That was easy. So I just did a bullish put spread. That was, let's see, let's take a look. 71% chance you'll be 50%. I need to do some more of this, man. It's a nice little easy way to like just chip away, build up. But I'm spending so much time over on crypto getting that big money, you know. Anyway, I just did a bullish put spread. Like I said, max I can lose on that trade. The max I can lose is $300, but there's a 71% chance I'll be 50% profitable. 71% chance we're going to come over here. I'm already going to put the order in. I can forget about it. I'm going to put the order in, go to cancel, buy it back for $1, make $100, right? Right around a 70% chance that that's going to happen. I'll take those odds all day long. All right, let's hop on over to crypto. Let's see what we're doing. Everyone should be in a good mood. Crypto's doing really well. I'm bored though, right? It's weird. It's so weird that I'm bored right now with crypto. It's like, Bitcoin 67,000. I'm like, it was like that in May, right? Anyway, so the thing Big Boy was talking about scared this shit out of me because it's putting me in this thing that I've been worried about this entire bull run. And that's the fact that he said, Raw Paul said, and I respect the hell out of Raw Paul, that he expects there to be a big pullback in December, and then institutions will buy it up. That theory actually makes a lot of sense, if I'm being quite honest. And if anyone knows how like that could happen, I mean, that dude's been around the block, Goldman Sachs and all that. So the reason that's so, but Big Boy, right? He's sticking to his 4-year cycle. I've long said that I think this will be an extended cycle. It just makes sense. That doesn't mean it will, right? There's a lot of people that say it, and there's a lot of people that don't. Some of us be right, some of us be wrong. To me, it just makes more sense that it will be an extended cycle. The problem is, what if Big Boy's right? If it is the end of December, because I'm going to be stuck in this oh shit zone of, man, I need it to get to the end of January before it's long-term capital gain. So if I have to take profits before that, and this may put me in a pickle, and I may screw this up. And you know I got Plan B. Plan B's until I wait until I'm right. But I don't want. There's a possibility that this Plan B could hurt like a mofo, right? I'm not really looking forward to another like massive down move in December. Now they're typically with that there'll be a nice dead cat bounce. If the cycle does what it does, there will be a nice and that's why a big reason why my portfolio is the way it is, and that's why I'll probably write it out. You know, I'm kind of getting this FOMO. All these people are starting to chime. Actually taking a look, so because a lot of people, and I have added this to the Discord. And speaking of Discord, just a quick shout and a quick pin. I added a little flavor to it, but I'm going to take it off because I feel bad. All right, help get my validator elected. Join the Discord. That's all I'm gonna say. We're gonna move on. We're gonna pin it. All right. So I have added to the Discord, and I'm really enjoying it. Right. So Plan B's tweeting, Tech Dev, and Will Clemente. Respect all these dudes. It annoys the shit out of me that Will Clemente is only 19 years old. I mean, what the is he like? How is someone 19 years old that smart? How? I don't understand. All right, so the real interesting one was this tech dev. He's talking about, this one was really interesting right here. No, that's not the one. Well, I mean, this is interesting too. So he's talking about, you know, he's showing, I don't even know what this is. Is this RSI? Anyway, he's saying, you know, we could be anywhere all the way up close to 400,000. That's by the end of 2022. So that really leads to the argument this could be an extended run. The one that I really found interesting, let's see, I think it's this one. Yeah, there we go. This is a total market cap. This doesn't mean this is going to play out, but he's looking at the 2017 bull run, and he's showing where we are. So he's saying, in order for it to get to the 4.172 Fibonacci, to do similar to what it did in 2017, that would take us to a $10 trillion market cap. I gotta tell you, dude, if we hit a 10 trillion, and it might be, I think this is probably like I'm assuming a monthly candle. So that one was big, and there was a fat 300 billion wick. So I'm good with, you know, we double. Maybe around the double, you start, if we get to the 6 trillion, especially on Bitcoin, right? If you're going to play the cycle, that's kind of my game plan. Look for like a fat wick, like it really just to go ape shit, you know, one day or something, and you can just like put in a crazy sell or something. So that's probably what I'll do. I'll put in a sell on my Bitcoin. Again, I'm not selling. I have like 1.7, 1.78 Bitcoin or something like that. I'm going to stay above 1 Bitcoin just for, you know, just to say I'm a whole coiner. And then that'll be the start of it. And then again, it's, you know, my backup plan is if it does crash and I'm still holding on to a bunch of altcoins and I didn't sell any, typically it'll all crash, it'll all relief rally, all dead cat bounce on the Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin will start dumping again and altcoins will go ape shit. So if that cycle repeats, you've really got to be ready. If Bitcoin's dumping and altcoins are pumping, you really got to consider taking profits. And for me, I hope that happens extended, after February. I got to be honest with you though. And this is not financial advice. You guys, you gotta make up your own decisions, your own conclusions. I may go down in history famously as becoming a millionaire in crypto and being broke the next year. That could happen to me because I've got ridiculous. I can't even think of the word I'm trying to say. I really truly conviction. I have ridiculous conviction. The problem is I could find myself in this situation where taxes are going to be a problem. I'm going to need. So what happens if I don't sell or I sell? Let me think about how you could really get yourself into trouble if you don't consider taxes. What happens? I'm not going to do this, right? Just out of just being smart. What happens if you sell with huge profits at the beginning of December because you think it is going to dump like Raw Paul and Big Boy, and you say it ends and it crashes like 60% before the end of December, and then you YOLO it all back in at low prices and then it doesn't come back, right? Or it goes down more, but now you owe a shitload of money in taxes after, next year. So I'm sure people get wrecked with similar stories like that from time to time. I've definitely heard of stories where people, they'll sell make $200,000 and they'll go out and buy that Lambo, and then they forgot that they had to pay a shitload of taxes, and then they'll have to sell the Lambo. So please keep all that in mind. Please pay your taxes. It's not worth going to prison. The U.S. does not mess around. You're not going to win that fight. Anyway, let's move on. Like I said, there's a lot of good. The fear and greed is making me a little nervy. It's up to 84. I guess I don't have to worry though until it gets to like 99. But man, Bitcoin. It's weird because Bitcoin, and this is why I'm bored. What is Bitcoin doing right now? It was Bitcoin and Ethereum were at all-time highs. They're pushing them. They're both kind of pushing them again. I did do a poll, which is going to go first. Bitcoin to 70 or Ethereum to 5. I don't even know how that poll's doing. I'm not gonna look right now, but I am curious to see how that's doing. I lost my train of thought. Anyway, I'm bored, dude. I'm bored because I was here in May. I mean, Ethereum was 4,500, so Ethereum's up a little bit and the Bitcoin's up a little bit, but it's been a lot. I know, first world problems. Stop your complaining. I don't know how many of you are newer. Like if you got in during the summer, it's definitely exciting times. Someone like me that got in heavily in January, we've already peaked. We've already valleyed. We're peaking again. And that's why I'm saying, man, I've already had a gut-wrenching like 4 to 5 months. It's not fun, dude. It's not fun being up a lot. I mean, I was still up in the summer, but I was down a lot, right? I don't want to go through that again, right? I want to go through a nice 3 or 4x and then take some profits off the board and know I have that financial security. Because right now it's monopoly money. It's not financial security. It's definitely helping me sleep better at night. But we're just one massive Bitcoin dump away from that changing overnight and me being tossing and turning again. It sucks, man. It's tough. And I will say, excuse me, we probably will have a pullback. Let's take a look at what happened in 2017. I'm pretty sure there was a pretty nasty pullback during like the massive bull run. Oh, wow, I should go to, no, I'm going to do it the hard way. All right. So right here, let's zoom in. Yeah, I'm looking like before the final blow off. So we did, okay, so it looks like we did have, this is the daily, where are we at? November, December. All right, so there's November, there's December. even in December, is this right? December 7th. So on December 7th, we were chilling at 16,000. Oh my goodness. Dude, this is scary. The same thing could happen again, right? The same thing can happen again. So we had a nice little blast off. Let's see. Let's go back to November. We were at $5,400. November, like right around where we are now. November, this November 12th. It just got done having its own little pullback. 8,000 from the, oh, wow. So this is the kind of the ride we might have. So this is November 7th. It had already had a good run. It already had a good run starting October 25th, right? I would expect some similar action. So we had already had a good 52% pump, followed by a quick like 4 or 5 day, right? So get ready for some turbulence, passengers. 30% dump, and then a nice little pump. So this is the pump. We could be like, we might have a little mini dump coming up, right? I would expect there to be a shakeout because leverage longs are really, they're going crazy right now, and we know those whales like to shake those fools out. So be careful if you're leverage long, because you're going to get shaken out. We had a nice little 220% pump that went up to December 17th. I thought that's when Bitcoin peaked, was December 17th, wasn't it? Oh no, that's December 8th. Yeah, so it went up 200%. December 11th to 11th, and we had a quick little dump. I mean, we had 2 little dumps. This was on December 8th. We had a quick little dump, shake out those longs. Another 30% dump, nice little pump, and then a nice little. So expect some turbulence. Plan B talks about these 10K candles incoming. Those bad boys can go both ways, right? We could have a nice couple 10K candles up, and then a couple 5 10K candles down. So get ready for the turbulence. It's going to be, I would imagine it's going to be a wild ride. Long term though, we've got plan B. So let's move on. Let's move on to Harmony one. Actually, ooh. And what do I spy out of the corner of my eye? I know we got a lot of Cardano haters in there. Retro, where are you at? Why are you not talking shit about Cardano right now? Everyone was like, dude, I told you, like, it hasn't even started yet. Like, you guys have no idea that the wrath Cardano is going to unleash. I'm still more bullish Cardano than anything out there. All you haters, all you doubters. Plutus, look at that freaking candle. Are you kidding me? Like, we're not even near all-time highs too. This, in my opinion, was one of the best buys on the board right now. Yeah, I'm just playing with you. I know you like to give me a hard time. Look at that Cardano, dude. Like, that, what is going on with Cardano? Like, did some news come out? Like, I mean, don't get me wrong. It was ridiculously pushed down. I don't know if institutions were pushing this bitch down to take a bunch of people out so they can accumulate it on the cheap. But dude, Cardano, you guys don't I am going on record as saying Cardano will be the #1 cryptocurrency in the future. #1. It's taken out Ethereum. It's taken out shit ass Solana. It's taken out Bitcoin. It's taken them all out. Now I'm being a little bit of a big boy hype boy there, but dude, Cardano is making moves. They're making they're playing chess while you all are playing checkers. Dude, there's a lot of things you forget about. First of all, some of the best engineers on the planet. They're gonna get Hydra, Plutus application backends coming. Cody, the Jed, extremely bullish. I want more Cody. You just don't. It's coming. It is freaking coming. And then the one, you know what you guys forgot about on Cardano? They are the Apple of cryptocurrency. Do you remember this one? They're coming out with their own app store, dude, and dudettes. I mean, I'm kind of kidding, but I could see it happening, Retro. I could see it happening. Cardano, there is a, it's no longer my #1 position. It's no longer my biggest bag because of this pullback. At one point when Cardano was $3, it was a hype. It was a bit of a hype phase, right? It should be at like $3 to $4 right now, in my opinion. The only thing holding it back, Rex in the house. How you doing, brother? I hold risky. This is hands. Of course, it's risky only because what if they fail? Dude, they're not gonna fail. All right. Before I forget, the App Store, man, that is going to be huge for adoption. They're onboarding. They're up to like 2 million wallets. It's out of control. It's insane. The adoption is going to come to this like nobody's business. This will be big boy price prediction. This will be a, but I truly believe this, right? The video should have been my boldest Cardano prediction ever. And it's going to be a Harmony 1 here in a second. We're talking about I was going to do a video. Actually, I'm not going to tell you because I still might do this title of a video upcoming. Anyway, dude, Cardano, $30. I can't guarantee it. I guarantee it to myself. I don't guarantee it to you. I am convinced Cardano will see a $30 price target in the next 4 to 10 years, right? Next 4 to 10 years. And you know why that's beautiful? It does. $30 ain't gonna happen this year. I think $5 to $10. I think $10 would be on the high side. But if we hit the $10 trillion market cap, like tech dev, dude, Cardano could hit like 15 plus. Dean Corleone in the house. What's up, brother? I haven't seen you in a while. Oh man, we've had a lot of disasters today already. It was in my video that only lasted like 2 minutes. Come on, we got 12 people in here, 3 likes. If we get to 100 likes, I do want to start doing some giveaways, but I probably won't get into that until like early next year. It's most likely going to be DFK, DeFi Kingdoms related. I got to figure out the best way to do. I got to become a marketing genius too. I got to figure out those websites and like Twitter this and tweet that and wipe your ass this and like and retweet and then figure out how to give it away. But I do want to start giving away some stuff DFK related. I know my boy Rex is trying to do that too. Be sure to follow, and anyone, Harmony 1 or Cardano. Oh, Baby Plug in the house. How you doing, brother? Project Harmony, he's got a validator. Help get his elected too. A lot of great one people in the house right now. Be sure to follow, hit those follow trains on Twitter. He's at Project Harmony. Rex is at @1_defender, I believe. Anyone else? Feel free to flash your @ there in the chat if it lets you. I'm good with it. Okay, I did. Oh, Hugo in the house. How you doing, brother? I did do a summon this morning. I couldn't save it. I couldn't save it for the video. I had to jump on it. Someone was, I need wizards, right? Sipping on some wizards to go with my priest to get a summoner, and someone was undercutting the market massively. It was 25 joules to rent it, and then the next one up was like 60 or 70. So I had to jump on it before someone else did. Anyway, I jumped on that. I got another common priest or something. We'll take a look at that. Oh, that's amazing, Dean. Thanks for that. I really appreciate that. Did I pick up my ENS tokens? What the hell is ENS? I'm brain farting. ENS. I'm thinking Ethernet network service. That is typically a layer 2 Comcast solution. My network engineering brain's kicking in. What is ENS? Brother, what's ENS? I think it will be a great way for you to network. Yeah, no, I think so too. I just have to figure it out, and then I want to make sure, because I've already got a massive tax headache that I want to deal with. So I don't want to have to like juggle, like, oh shit, I'm gonna make sure I just gave away this card worth $500 and a bunch of jewels, and so I'm gonna save that to the probably like January. I'll maybe start promoting it in December. Anyway, I'll figure that out. I want to help all you guys too. We're a team. Help you, Rex and Project Harmony and anyone else. I know Jason was looking to get his own validator out. We can help that brother out too. All right, so Cardano, like I said, dude, Cardano's going to the moon. $30. I'm not guaranteeing it, but oh yeah, I know what you're talking. I have one of those. Nostratomas.eth. I know what Ethernet name service. Your ETH, they have given governance tokens away a lot of money. At least I haven't seen how much What does that even mean, Dean? I have a, let's see. Did you pick, how do I pick up my ENS tokens? Is it too late? Is the bridge over on that shit? The other one, Unstoppable Domains, was moving, like was doing something with Polygon, and you could basically get a domain name free over there too. I don't have enough time in the day for all this shit. Your .eth. I'll have to look into that. If you have any deets, though, hit it up. I'll go check that out. All right, let's see what's going on with, and we all gonna make it. Oh, you haven't to May? Awesome, thank you. Yeah, no hurries, bro. I got time. We got till May. Don't continue doing what you're doing. All right, so we all gonna make it another Ohm style, Olympus Ohm DAO style on Harmony 1. It was before reverse. Full disclosure, I did buy reverse yesterday. I'm curious to see how that plays out. What? All right, so let's get over this. So I did buy, I did the, you can still do the reverse if you want to get into it. You need to hold 50 reverse in your wallet, and then you go to Artemis. You just go to their Twitter, their Discord. They have all the information. You got to go to, you're having trouble, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. I don't know. One of the links, you go there and you have to approve a bunch of shit, and then you send your wrapped Harmony 1 to this address. But it takes 48 hours, and I don't know how much reverse I'm going to get back. So I sent 20,000, right? I sent like $6,000 of Harmony 1 to this address, and then sometime tomorrow I should get how many ever reverse I get, because it's an overflow. I have no freaking idea. I doubt I'll get $6,000 in reverse back. I'm tempted to send more, but then I don't want to end up getting like $10,000 in reverse. I'm not ready to YOLO that much into reverse. So I'm sure I'll get quite a bit of Harmony 1 back. This is another Ohm style Olympus DAO. Not true to Olympus. They did put their own flavors in it. This is degenerate YOLO. I've done a little bit of research on this Ohm stuff. I like it. The way I look at it is, so far Artemis has done pretty well. It's the same devs. I did have a few red flags with them I discussed yesterday. But I think the pot odds are good. We can make some money. Or at least I can make some money on this. Again, this is high risk stuff. A lot of things can go wrong. And this could be lost money, and that's how I'm treating it. Now, my plan last night was to YOLO into some We All Gonna Make It too, because again, I am very bullish on this Ohm thing. I got to take a little hydration break. It wasn't that refreshing. Excuse me, I gotta clear my throat. All right, so the plan was to, because again, as I mentioned earlier in the thread, I don't have a shitload of dry powder and taxes. I'm worried about taxes. So I do have like 50,000 Harmony 1 chilling in my wallet. I took that out because I kind of had a plan, and then in that 7 days, I kind of changed my mind. So I don't have dry powder. I could convert that Harmony 1 to DAI, and We All Gonna Make It, but then it's a taxable event. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to be a little bit riskier with it, right? At the end of the day, if I lose this money, it'll be tax loss harvesting. I'm not going to enjoy it. Like if I put it on, so what I'm considering doing, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do it yet because we got to look at We All Gonna Make It. And I haven't done a lot of research on We All Gonna Make It. As far as I know, it's just the same damn thing as Ohm. I might YOLO into it, sight unseen, and go from there. All right, so Tranquil Finance, how's it doing? Kind of hanging around this 30-cent mark. The emission does seem a bit high. Oh man, it is coming down. I gotta tell you what, it is coming down. All right, we gotta see if this gets a little rebound. They are working on working with the Harmony team. If they get incentivized, this could be huge for them. I don't have a ton of money, because really it's just what I put like, I don't know, like $600 in an X-Trank. And then I have like another $1,400 in their liquidity pool. And I mean, so far, I think long term, it's going to pay for itself. Minimum, probably make a profit. I have maybe $2,000 into this. Again, it's house money for the most part in the liquidity pools because it's rolled over from sushi and DeFi and all this other stuff. But like I said, I don't want to sell my Harmony 1 because that's going to be a taxable event. And my cost basis currently on Harmony 1's like 6 to 10 cents. So it's going to be a hit. And I don't want to do that. And it's a relatively new 6 to 10 cent, unlike my Cardano and my Ethereum and Bitcoin that will hit long term at the end of January. You got to be playing chess. You got to be playing chess. You can save a lot of money in taxes, right? But at the same time, don't hold on to them, right? Because profits are still profits. Just try and keep all these things in mind. So my plan was to maybe deposit. So the risk here is I'm going to deposit more Harmony 1 in here and borrow some US dollars and then YOLO that in. We all going to make it. So the big risk here is Tranquil rug pull. But I don't think Tranquil is going to rug pull or hacked, right? So they are, I believe they're working on their audit right now. Ooh, Rex. Nah, you'll be fine. Are you? You YOLO, dude. You YOLO'd like a mofo. Nah, I think, I don't know, bro. I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm not going to tell you everything's going to be okay because I don't know that it is, right? I mean, that's probably mostly house money from you from all the gains you made on. No, Tranquil didn't get hacked. I'm just saying they could get hacked. So if I deposit, I already have like 25,000 Harmony 1 in here. If I deposit another 50,000, I have like 20,000 at risk if they were to get hacked. And the biggest, it's a lot of risk over on Harmony 1 because they don't have Chainlink yet, right? They're relying on sushi oracles, and that's where someone might figure out a flash loan exploit or something on them, and boom, and it's gone, right? And it's gone. So you don't even have to be hacked, just exploited. So it makes me a little bit nervous, but if I were to lose like 70,000, like 21, if I had to say 75,000 on Harmony 1 over here at current value, that'd be like 21,000. If that were to get hacked, exploited, if I were to lose it, I would not be happy, right? I would not be happy. It would make for good content. Dumbass YOLOs into DeFi and gets wrecked, right? It'll be a great cautionary because right now we're living in this, it's pretty easy to get these big nuts thinking, oh, it's not going to happen to you. Dude, I watch videos all the time of it happening to people. I was just watching another video last night. I've seen a couple of these lately. One, a police officer. I felt really bad for him. He was in some weird DeFi I never heard of, but his Metamask got hacked and he wasn't sure how it got hacked. And he thought maybe the Wi-Fi at the police station or the Wi-Fi at his marina, right? And this dude's like nearing retirement, so I felt really bad for him, and he was doing pretty good. So he lost all his money in MetaMask. I will say it's not very, I mean, it's not very smart to have all your money in MetaMask, right? And he didn't have a ledger or a Trezor. So if he would have had the ledger or the Trezor, it would have been a lot safer. He was looking to buy some other wallet, but don't. Having all your money in MetaMask, man, that is definitely something I don't recommend. Anyway, let's take a look at We All Gonna Make It, because I swear when I looked at this last night, the We All Gonna Make It price was over $1,000. So my plan last night was to YOLO into this, but man, maybe I should. Is it? So I want to look at the chart. Get wrecked with Rex. I'll subscribe, brother. I'll subscribe. All right. Let's see how I don't even know if all right, here we go. Euphoria. We All Gonna Make It. Let's see what the chart has done on this. Total liquidity 1.7 million. What is going on here? I was seriously gonna YOLO into this, but I don't know, right? Let's do a little figure. Anyone in this? Anyone else in this? I'm Kratos one of the bros I have tweeting to my Discord, lots of good information. He's tweeted about it. Yeah, I know you're kidding. Irvin in the house. How you doing, brother? One. Harmony 1. Is that what that means? Are you in Euphoria? Are you in We All Gonna Make It? I mean, we are all gonna make it. You're in Harmony 1, you're gonna make it. How long has this thing been live? I mean, what is up with this chart? Oh, is it because I'm on the 1 month? How do I, hourly? Like, this thing looks like it's still trying to update. 602. I don't know, man. Now I'm a little nervous. I still, you know what? I still may risk it for the biscuit. I still may, because I'm dumb. I'm young, dumb, and full of bubble gum. That's how the expression goes, right? Let's see. Treasury balance. We all gonna make it price dashboard. All right. I wanna see a chart of this token when it's on. I believe it was over $1,000 last night. Is the bottom end? Is this market cap right? Is this on VFAT? I don't think it is. What is fool? A fool and his money are soon to. Oh, another loot swap. Another loot swap rug pull. This loot swap, man. Calm your. Like, are they. I don't understand this loot swap at all, to be honest. All right. Finding good charts. Yeah, it really does. It really does. But I need to. Didn't this just say it was 25 million? Oh, market cap. All right. 17 million TVL. This Viper swap. 1.7 liquidity. I don't know what this chart is like. All right, screw it. Let's do. Oh my goodness. Do I really want to? Let's do. Let's see. Borrow, reward, supply. Ew. You only get 0.49% for supplying it. That kind of. Oh, that says 6.5. Maybe there's like a double. Screw it, guys. Screw it. We're gonna risk it for the biscuit. Pull a little cheddar. Maybe we just go like 1,000. I'm thinking 2,000. All right. So what I'm doing. This is Authy like. If you're not familiar with Authy, you can deposit and then you can borrow against it. You can get paid. You get paid to borrow. You're getting paid in Tranquil. I am bullish Tranquil. I think they're going to be, there's a lot of money that's going to be coming into Harmony 1. I think a lot of it will flood into Tranquil. So far, I like it better than Authy, and I've used Authy on poly. I mean, Authy's a bigger player, don't get me wrong. Authy's, and they're definitely going to be incentivized. So hopefully Tranquil does work this out with the Harmony 1 team. An endorsement by them and being incentivized from them would be really big. Can you check it on Nomics? I don't even know what that is. Just make sure you don't ape. These ohm forks haven't. Oh, okay. That is good to know. So is that why it was 1,000 last night and 600 today? Do I wait? Do I wait or do I just YOLO in like $1,000 right now and then go from there? What is Nomics, bro? Is that link you sent me the other day? Nomics crypto. I don't know. I'm familiar with this one. Oh no, I've never seen this one. This is cool. This looks like that one George is always. Hex. I tell you what, this one's interesting to me. This one is really getting its ass kicked. I watched this other YouTuber, Crash Trading. He's very bullish on this. I don't know. They got some weird, like, don't get me wrong. I'm not a, like, I just like it because of this. Right? I like it because I think there's a good chance that it's going to, I'm not buying it. And there's some weird thing like Pulse Chain and it's on 2 different chains. It's more than I care for. Anyway, nice little, what is this doing it by, why is Hex number 4 on here later? This is pretty cool. I'm going to have to check this out. Why is Hex They consider Hex 101 billion market cap. That's interesting. Is that because there's 2 chains of it? I don't know. You got me. Cardano on the move. All right. I doubt we all gonna make it. It's gonna be on here for charting. Oh, this is a Harmony 1 thing. Well, this is gonna be my CoinGecko. You're gone. Yeah, I agree. This does look fire. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Nice. Look at this. Look at Rex coming with the alpha. Woof, woof. Yeah, so now I must have saw something different last night because I could have sworn it said $1,000, but according, is this only been out for less than a day? Maybe I thought this thing went live. All right, screw it. We're gonna yellow into this bitch. I'm gonna be somewhat conservative. Let's see. I got 62 Trank there, and I got 140 there. I got 20. I should be claiming all my Trank and putting it in the pool. Let's get that done too. Put that shit to work. I wish you could claim it all at once. It is kind of annoying. You have to go to 3 different places and claim it all, I guess. I'd get in with 33% of my cash position. Yeah, I'm gonna get in with 1,000. I have a little fun, right? Like putting a dime on the Chiefs, you know, putting a dime on the. This is a gamble. Again, I treat this like I'm shit faced in Vegas, and I walk up to the blackjack table. No, I stumble up to the blackjack table, and I slam my 10 black chips down on on the $5 blackjack table like I'm some kind of whale. Let's see. Look at bro. You're always talking about Phantom. I got FOMO on Phantom, but I'm not. Maybe at the beginning of the year. Maybe, but the bridge might be over. The party might be over at the beginning of the year. I'm trying to. I'm not getting into anything else right now. Harmony. If it ain't on Harmony or Cardano, I'm good. I hear people making big moves over on Phantom, making good money. All right. So my borrow limit's at 32% after that deposit. Actually, let me get all this claimed. Let's get all this claimed up. Yeah. Excuse me. That's my understanding too, that these ohm forks got, like I said, I watched Justin Bram do a video on Olympus DAO, and he said, you know, he said mostly good things about it. So again, high risk, high reward. We're gonna go for it. You got to figure out. I mean, you got to figure that with these high interest rates, you can at least get your money back pretty quickly. It's just don't get greedy, right? That's all it is. Don't get greedy. All right, I'm almost done claiming all my Trank, and then we're gonna deposit that in the Trank, the non. All right, I'm glad to see that interest rate is now lower because it was more than the one that was locked. So I'm going to stake my Trank in the non-locking, right? Or earn more. So this is, I'm earning Trank, and then I'm thinking that earn Trank, and I'm going to earn more Trank. Compounding, baby. I haven't, 231 Trank. So I don't think I've claimed any Trank for like a week. So what is that? Like, I don't know, 60 bucks. But I think Trank's going up. I'm not saying Trank's going to the moon, but I think it's going up. All right, so we're gonna stake it. Yogo-san in the house. How you doing, brother? Not yet. You're about to miss. I mean, you're about to see the highlight. You're just in time, brother. You're just in time. I'm not aping hard. I'm doing $1,000, right? I might add to that position, but I'm doing it on borrowed money. I'm borrowing money. I'm getting paid to borrow, so it is a bit riskier. I haven't done it yet. I deposited because I've already discussed this. I don't have I could take it out of Fuzz, but I don't want. I consider taking my money out of Fuzz, but I want to leave my shit going in Fuzz. I figure I could borrow some money. Borrow some more money from Tranquil, and if I had to cover, I can cover it. You know what I'm saying? I understand the risk. I've already got like $2,700 borrowed. I don't know, like 1,500 of that is yield farming in Tranquil. Another 1,000 of that is I leveraged long Harmony One because I'm very bullish Harmony One. So I borrowed $1,000, immediately bought like 3,000 Harmony One, and then redeposited that back in. So that's hedging your leverage long because I'm earning interest on that too, right? So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna borrow another 1,000. How much can I? How much? Oh, do we want a yellow? No, I'm not gonna yellow 4,000. Let's do like 1,000. We'll just do 1,000. Whatever happens with like fees and shit, we'll figure that out later. So I need to buy, like, is it the same thing? I buy an equal amount of, I convert an equal amount to DAI and an equal amount to, we all gonna make it? Is that how it works? I'm just assuming that's how it works. I have no idea. And then you stake it in a liquidity pool. What? How much is it earning? Let's see. This is a pretty garbage website, if we're being honest. I haven't read the docs. I have no idea if these guys are anonymous or not. Let's take a look. This isn't really a doc. I don't know that this is really a doc. So this is, I've somewhat, you know, a little bit of research on this 3-3 meme. Is it hocus pocus? Is it Fugazi? Is it, who knows, man, right? This is 1,000, like I said, I'm stumbling up shit face to the blackjack table, only expecting to lose it. All right, so let's see, assets acquired, DAI, and we all gonna make it. At least I can say I'm gonna make it, and I own the token. Yeah, this isn't really a document. I don't know that there's any, like, are they 100% anonymous? The website's kind of, I mean, did a kindergartner put this together? There, we're good for them. Are you on the team or something, Yogo-san? Am I hopefully you're not on the team, and I'm just telling it like it is, brother. You know what I'm saying? This is all wild west, right? I don't want people coming to this channel, oh, this guy aped into it. It must, no, dude. This is like, this could be a rug pull, right? This could be a rug pull. Oh yeah. This is how I buy it, right? What is the S add to a, I already have the link open to buy it. Buy it, stake it in the stake tab. Yeah, but you have to have DAI, equal amount of DAI to go with it, or you just stake the we all gonna make it. Where does the DAI come in? Buy it, stake it, done. There's no DAI? Why is DAI? What's up with the DAI? DAI. Or do you just take the stake, you buy the we all gonna make it, and it automatically puts half of it into DAI or something? Or does it pay you in DAI? How many more times are you gonna make me say DAI? Where does DAI come in? You got two bond. Oh, DAI's another one. Let's see. We all gonna make it. This is so confusing. DAI or DAI, we all gonna make it. Viper tweets about the DAO, so I doubt it's a rug. No, I don't think it's a rug either, but I'm just saying, dude, like, rugs happen even in Harmony One. Rates are negative. That's not good. ROI is negative 46%. Well, that's not how you make it. Don't buy negative rate bonds. All right. And Bren's bringing the alpha right now. Let's see. They're both negative. So I don't want to do either one of them. Just buy the token, stake it. Normal at first. All right. So I'm gonna listen to Bren. I'm gonna listen to Bren Capital. All right, let's buy some. So I just $1,000. So if I have $1,000, just buy $1,000. Buy like 1 point some. We all gonna make it. All right, let's do it. We can all learn together. It sounds like Bren's already yellowed into this shit. So, oh, do I need DAI or can I buy it with USDC? You probably have to buy it with DAI. Is that the secret sauce? Did I not get my transaction succeeded? All right, so I should have, oh, I probably just have to refresh. Oh no, it sees it. Price impact too high. Current index is 1.01, which is really good for you. This index will slowly go up over time, meaning your staked, we all gonna make it equals currently. Let's all invest in negative. So should I go 2,000 or you're saying dollar cost average Embren? I aped into EXOD. Oh, nice. Is that on Phantom? Where's that at? You just want to drop another Phantom plug. I know how you are, bro. I'm kidding. I kid. So is DAI the best way to get this? A price, right? Oh, we got to do this job. How's the price, dude? What the hell? I'm losing $160. How do I do this, bro? I gotta do it with DAI or what? I'm losing $160 if I try and convert. Arbiter. That sounds familiar. Where's that at? I don't know if I can get DAI. Let's see how DeFi Kingdoms looks. You would think there'd be better liquidity. Can convert it on Curve. Irvin bringing some alpha. Curve, I don't know that I understand Curve. We can take a look at that one. I kind of understand Curve. I didn't know you could trade over there though. If I'm not getting $1,000, price impact too high. Like there's no liquidity over here. Let's see. It's a stable coin exchange. All right, let's see. Oh, come on. If I go like that. All right, here we go. Here we go. Some alpha. Is there like a max? Look at this. Not guys, that was amazing right there. That is bringing some serious alpha. Curve for the win. Curve FTW. There you go. You guys, boom, baby. Boom. All right, let's go ahead. It still bothers me that I'm losing $3.88, but stop here. A second ago, it was 160. We'll make it back on We All Gonna Make It, right? Oh no, now I gotta pay like a sub penny in gas. That joke never gets old, right? Please approve. All right, I probably don't have DAI in my thingy. That's okay. I know. Oh wait, what do we got? Unapproved. What does that mean? Please confirm swap. Oh, I guess there's an extra step. Yeah, Irvin. Money, Irvin. Money, earning Mount Irvin. Bringing the alpha. That deserves some likes. You haven't hit that. Not enough balance. Swap is not available. Oh, Irvin, dude, you let us down, brother. What the hell, man? Did it show up? Maybe I did get it. I don't know. No, I don't have any USDC, so I must have it. Let's see. Maybe that's just one of those weird errors that come in. Yeah, I have the DAI. I have the DAI. That's just one of those weird API errors. All right, let's pop back on over to Viper and let's go to DAI. Yeah, we're good. All right, good. I can get that added now. Oh, I didn't know that. All right, cool. All right, and we're gonna go to We All Gonna Make It. We all gonna make it. All right, max 1.7. Prove DAI. YOLO. No. We all. I got that we're not gonna take it anymore song in your head, but now that we all gonna make it, right? I'm trying to make it work. It's not working. Oh, Yogo-san, you screwed up, brother. That's all right. Live and learn, man. That's why you like and subscribe to this channel. We got a lot of alpha in this chat. All right, let's get this swap done and let's get it staked. You know what's for dinner tonight? Steak. Get some of that steak. We're going to have some steak for breakfast. Yeah, Trezor. Now everyone's piling in on poor Yogo-san. All right, add in. Let's go, baby. Hashtag LFGs. Oh, you got the same error. Yeah. All right. Gonna have some. We all gonna make it. Yo, Susan, fire up the grill. We're gonna have some steak. Anyone walking by outside my house right now is like, what the hell is wrong with that guy? Oh, I got some MIS tokens I need to do some shit with. All right. Is the we all gonna make it in here? I want to see we all gonna make it in my wallet. I need to, let's add this. I'm pretty sure I already did. All right, I have it, whatever. Let's pop back and over to Euphoria. Let's bring this shit home. Time to have some steak. Gonna do a little refresh maybe. Little steak back. There we go. Steak. Steak, we all gonna make it. We gonna get some steak. We all gonna make it. Oh, I'm in an awful good mood considering I gotta go to that daily grind to earn my monthly nut. All right. Farm MIS1 for some more, Jewel. That's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Your balance has been updated. All right, so the index goes up and my coin's gonna be worth more. I'm not gonna lie, I'm ready to FOMO in more. Let's see what the dashboard. Ooh, we all gotta make a price is falling. I might have to YOLO in, and if this falls, I might YOLO in some more. I'm not gonna lie. I might throw in like another 500 to 1,000. Don't do it because I do it, right? I'm eventually gonna get wrecked on one of these, and this might be the one. This says there's 345 days of runway. That's good. APY 8,400%. People coming in later getting in a higher index. Let's see. So you get for almost the same. Oh, okay. All right. I think it'll maybe start making sense. This is a learn, dude. I'm telling you right now, I'm an idiot when it comes to the OHM protocol. Like I just started learning about this 2 days ago, and I'm mostly going on High Alpha Brent over here and High Alpha Justin Bram over on YouTube. So go check out his OHM video. There's a lot of OHM videos out there. Most of them are garbage because they're just all like clickbait, want you to watch their video because you can make tens of thousands %. But Justin Bram did a really good one. Do you know there is an incentive no, what does that even mean? Let time do its thing. Now go to the stake tab and see what the next rebase is. All right. I know there's a next reward amount. See next reward yield, RO return. Whoa, 5-day rate. So every 5 days, I'm gonna make 6%. I don't know. That seems pretty good, I guess. 8,400% ABI. 23 minutes. The next rebase. What does that mean? Why are you freaking out? What happens on the next rebase? Do I need to ape in more, or do I wait to the rebase? Oh, I clutched because the rate's gonna go up. Oh, should I do another 1,000? Ah, you're making me FOMO, guys. You're making me FOMO. You hold 1K Viper X and never sell. We all gonna make it. You get rewarded Viper. Okay, so you get rewarded Viper. Look at their docs again. Never sell. We all go. Yeah, I understand. Like there's some weird. Everyone holds and everyone makes money, but that's eventually that's MLM, Ponzi. The thing is, when price gonna drop. Okay, all right. Maybe I ape in some more tomorrow, or maybe I just let it go. Trezor, you're too much of a degen. Wait for it. All right, I'll wait for it. So what did there was one other thing I wanted to check. Oh yeah, so someone brought up a good point. Oh, here's the reverse IDO I did. I won't find out until like tomorrow at 3 o'clock PST how that went. Let's see how my dashboard. Yeah, wait for the J curve. Wait for the J curve. But their team has about 15 million Viper to be rewarded. All right, Elysium. How much MIS do I have? Another 10 waiting. Let's settle this. Daily returns too. So what is the interest rate on this one? APR 835%. You know, I would have probably never considered doing this. Who brought this up? This was a good plan to do the MIS, earn more Jewel. I love it. It was Bren. Bren, you always bring in the alpha dog. Alpha dog, Bren. I'm not in that pool. I'm not in that pool. He is low because of someone lady allowing folks to buy. What? Yeah, I was somewhat surprised that the MIS dropped in value before the lockup period. It dropped like $1. You're just saying, yeah, good. Teamwork, baby, is low because some lady allowing folks to buy reverse. How is that even possible? How is that even possible? How does she have reverse tokens? I like the MI on Artemis or on, is it, because it's 835% here. I think MIS token's going to go down in value after that lockup. Let's see what we got over on, I like earning some jewels. It was the first one, and I scrolled to the bottom like an idiot. Oh, the lock part? Yeah, but I'm so bullish DeFi Kingdoms that I want 100,000 lock jewel. I think 100,000 lock jewel will make you a millionaire. I'm not going to hit 100,000. I think this game will make a lot of millionaires. I really do, especially people that got in early. People with Gen Zeros. That reminds me, I was looking, we can look at the hero I summoned too. So the Gen Zeros are dropping. I'm curious to see what's going to happen to this game if we have a bear market. 1,600%. Oh yeah, but I see what you're saying because you're only making about, I don't know, like 13% of that, which would be 162%. So valid point, valid point. She told folks I have the max amount MIS for highest discount. So she's willing, oh, so you buy revert, so she's willing to buy it for you. Interesting. How did she even pull that off? Is this like Discord chats on the side or something? A little bit over my head. Juan in the house. How you doing, brother? Hey guys, I'm very new to Harmony. Welcome to the Harmony One family. We got a huge Harmony One family over here. Been here about a week. You all think Artemis is going to keep trending down? I like the project, but I know the token is pretty inflationary. That's an excellent question. I do personally think the MIS token is going to go down after the reverse lockup, which is tomorrow at 3. But I think in general, I'm long-term bullish. Because they're going to have more launch pads and things. And dude, this is DeFi, bro. This is DeFi. It's a huge gamble, but we have been making a ton of money over here on Harmony One. So far, it's been mostly bangers, but we've avoided, you know, some. At least I have. I don't know about some of the other people in the chat. Like I know Harmony Man or whatever rug pulled, but for the most part, dude, it's hard to say though. It's hard to say. I'm in Artemis, but a small size, like $2,000, $1,500, something like that. Again, people are like, oh, shut up, Tom, house money. It's house money from Sushi Swamp, DeFi Kingdoms. So, oh, is it the same chick that was doing the escrows on the Dude, like she's scandalous, man. I tell you, man, that's a shrewd, shrewd investor over there. I tell you. She created for escrow, so she. Oh yeah, so is that the same dude that was doing the? She has her own Discord and everything. I was in it for a bit, but yeah, DeFi Kingdoms, dude. We'll make millionaires. I will be a DeFi Kingdom millionaire. I'm convinced of it. And I'm going to enjoy the ride. I'm going to enjoy the ride. All right. Let's see. For now, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I got MIS. I got one. I'm not going to do anything right now. I don't have to do anything. I could chill. I can relax. No, I take it back. Liquidity. I want them jewels, dude. I'm trying to stack jewels. I gotta buy me another Gen Zero. What am I thinking? Who cares if it's locked? We're making good money even unlocked. I think jewel will go up in value, and I'm gonna help. We're all gonna help. We're gonna build this adoption. We're gonna make DeFi Kingdoms the next. It's going to crush. It's gonna crush Axie Infinity. There are some other big big games coming out, so we'll have to see how those play out too. But I've already done my wishing wells for this morning, and like I said, I'll show you what I summoned up. All right, let's get this MIS. Let's get this Harmony 1. I'm gonna do max MIS. We're gonna supply. We're gonna get this one started. And I'm going to continue to claim my do they have a Tranquil over here? They need a Tranquil. Imagine when DFK bridge. Yeah, dude. The bridge, as far as I know, so the Bitcoin bridge is live, but they don't want people to really use it or at least understand the risk until the audit is done. As far as I know, DeFi Kingdom is building that bridge like right into their shit too. So we're going parabolic. Yeah, it's gonna be more in a couple months, but we're gonna help them over here. I do kind of want to make, because I have a lot of videos covering all this stuff. I hate making regular videos, but I need to make some tutorials, especially Harmony 1 base, and that with Cardano coming soon, we'll see. Maybe I stop my complaining and just do it. All right, let's go back. All right, let's go deposit. And this is not, what am I doing wrong? Let's see, add jewel. Did I not finish a freaking transaction? I probably just approved it and actually didn't do it. No, I think I have it. Do I just need to be a little bit more patient? Or is this the thing where you got to go to the different druid? I don't know why you have to have two different druids. Or am I just doing something? Not the arch druid. Right, like that. You can't even, like, what? All right. Yeah, I don't know why you can't manage like, why doesn't this show up on the other druid? And no, was that the wrong thing? What the hell, man? You need to give me a couple months to learn how to do DeFi. What the hell? I'm hitting the right thing, right? 96, add, remove. Back. Yeah, why this wants me to do more? Did I not? Let's see, liquidity. Do I just have to be more patient? Oh, one MIS. I put it in the wrong liquidity pool. Did I put it? Is that the problem? I'd have been here all day. Here's your only pair. All right. Yeah, son of a bitch. It's Jewel. I would have been here all freaking day. What the hell is wrong with me? All right. Man, I don't want to lock up more jewels. I don't want to lock up more jewels because I need my jewels. I need my jewels for summoning and shit. All right, screw it. We're going back to Artemis. I'm just gonna, is there single staking MIS? 80s. Let's see, 80s MIS pool. Yeah, I'm just gonna, for now, I'm just gonna set my MIS in the single stake pool. Oh wait, that burns it. Ah, my goodness. You guys need to talk quicker. I don't like these burn pools. All right, so I'm gonna reject. I ain't doing shit. I don't know. I gotta think on that one. All right, let's go ahead and wrap. Oh, actually, real quickly, like I said, I did summon in the middle of the night. Excuse me. Let's take a quick look. The price on Gen Zeros is going down. Very interesting. Very interesting. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get one, how much they're going to come down, but I'm watching. We're watching this market. All that OpenSea work I did, it's paying. Ooh, we're down to 5,500. How low can this go? How low can this? I think it can go a lot lower, to be quite honest, especially if we hit that bear market. So again, my plan is to stack jewels, maybe snipe another. Look at that. I could get me a wizard right now. That's what I need to go with my priest. I'm not gonna lie, if I had 5,555 jewels right now chilling in my bank, it would be hard. Would I lock it up for that land draw, or would I just go for the wizard? I don't know. Actually, that wouldn't even be enough because it's X jewel. It's like 1.5. That wouldn't even be enough for the land. All right, we're gonna watch this market, see how it goes. Like I said, one of these, or over time, I'll start doing some giveaways or what have you. Chin whatevers and maybe some jewel to go with it. I got to figure that out. I've summoned 2 commons in a row, 2 wizards in a row. Someone was renting a wizard, a Gen Zero wizard, for 25. I would have done it on stream, but they were way undercutting the market and I had to go for it. Well, you can't summon Gen Zeros though. I expect the price to go down. I don't. All right, so that's a good thing to discuss. Now, look at, do you think summon costs will become more expensive? Hugo asked. I don't do, it's so early in this. I have no idea how this tokenomics. Oh, so do you think summon count will be, it does, it already does. Every time a Gen Zero summons, it becomes more expensive. I don't remember like how much it maxes out to, but it's pretty, and that's going to drive the price up to like it's going to take a while for this economy to figure itself out, right? Adoption, if the adoption comes in, that can greatly change the economy. It's going to be really interesting to see how this plays out. I will say, even think about Cyberkong's Genesis, man. Those things are going, I don't know what they're going for now, but they were around like $300,000. Those things, do they have a game coming? Do they even have a game in the works? You can have babies and you can earn this token, but there's no real like backing to it as far as I know, other than promises. They got a shitload of money, so I'm sure they'll pull something off. But you might sit here and think, whoa, wow, man, $20,000 to $25,000 for one of these heroes, dude. That's not, I mean, these things can go to much. I think they will come down. Don't get me wrong. I think in the short term, and again, this is not financial advice. This game could fail. This game will require adoption, but I think it will come. So far, I think it's all really cool. I think the team is doing a fantastic. George always loves saying that word. Fantastic job. So again, I'm just being patient right now, trying to stack jewels, and I will try and get another Gen Zero, hopefully on the cheap. If they run away, they run away, right? I'm just grinding the game out. I'm trying to learn how to maximize earning jewels, earning that passive income. I think this could be very, 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 very early. As many, a Google amount of berries. This is so early to this game. Rex says DFK to the moon, 8-10. Let's see, have been noticing less and less good summon counts. Because there's a bit of a diminishing returns, especially on Gen Zeros. It's going to be a period where I have to wait 5 days. And then when I actually summon, I don't know what the max, how many joules, but I think it's going to be like 40 joules per or something like that. And so if I have to rent, you know, that's like $600 and some right now just to summon, not including the DFK tiers, which I can get for free. But so that's why I want to buy another Gen Zero. These things could go to 100,000 plus easily. I'm not saying it's going to happen this year. And this is a long-term hodl, man. You get in now early, it can pay off handsomely, and you can get in like, I don't know when these prices are gonna bottom, but you could start the grind now. Like you could buy, maybe start a Gen 2, start with the Gen 2. What are those going for? And then you're gonna want to yield farm too. So I would say conservatively, you're going to probably need like $1,000 to play this game. That's about the same Axie Infinity cost, but I think you could build that up to a lot of money, right? Again, the game could fail too. You could lose it all. But I think the pot odds are good. So you could buy, and I was discussing this yesterday, you don't even have to necessarily put money into the yield farm, but I would. Like I would at least try and put like $500. The more the better, right? The more the better, because the more joules you can earn. If you're into some of these other pools, maybe you can, you know, move that over. There is the lock balance, but you're going to be able to farm and mine and get some of that lock back. There's a lot of cool mechanics coming. But right here, you could buy, even at, I mean, Gen 7, the cheapest card on the board is going to run you $236. So maybe for, you start, this doesn't have any summons though, so that sucks, right? So at least with this one, you spend one more jewel, you spend like $4 more, you're gonna get 3 summons out of it. And see, I don't know what, you're gonna have to figure out that math, and that math is changing so much. But at least with summons, you can grind and earn jewels, and then you can pay for a summon, and then you could sell that card to recoup some of your costs. You could do that 3 times, and you're probably going to make your money back, even with just 3 summons. So you'll see that, and then you go 9 more jewels, and you're going to get 5 summons. To me, this Monk Archer Gen 3 seems like a pretty good deal. You're looking at close to $300 for the card. You're probably, I think $500 is pushing it, but you throw $500 into the one. What pool am I in? It's the one I like. I forget. I think it's the one jewel pool. The one jewel pool pays pretty good rewards. You can earn some jewels, right? Grind it out. You earn some DFK tiers. Pull up a summon. You sell 5 cards. You could probably pay your card off. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to be a slower grind. This is the more money you got, the better, the easier it's going to be. But it's still very, very early to this game, and you can start stacking jewels. And when you're yield farming, you're going to be earning a lot of lock jewels too, right? I think this is a long-term is going to pay off game. I really do. I want to start leveling a forager and a gardener to start. I'm looking, oh man, you're not even in the game, and it sounds like you know more than me. Yeah, man, you are doing your homework on this one, brother. Running on an undervalued L1 chain. What is DFK to the moon? Yeah, so undervalued. This is hands down the most undervalued. All right, let's wrap this up. Oh my goodness, is it 7:58 already? Talk about undervalued chains. Let's see what the prices are of cryptocurrency in Denmark. All right, Bitcoin doing a little pullback, doing that little chili dipper, right? 66K. Oh man, way over here. Ethereum 47.9. We're gonna get that little pullback we talked about at the beginning, where right around this time it pulled back like 20% and then off to the moon. Don't panic. Don't panic. That's all I'm saying. Harmony 1, even Harmony 1's having a pullback. All right, everyone. Really appreciate it. Hit them likes, hit them subscribes, blah, 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 blah. Love you all, and peace.